Welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine rushing to get ready for a night out, and you realize you've left shaving to the last minute. You want smooth, nick-free skin, but you need a razor that'll deliver fast, effective results without a second thought. That's where the Athena Club Women's Razor Shave Kit steps in, promising a close, comfortable shave every time. If you're tired of nicks, irritation, or a dull razor, you'll want to stick around for this honest review. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for more tips and reviews. The Athena Club Women's Razor Shave Kit features everything you need for a smooth, irritation-free shave. Inside, you get the razor handle and 6 replaceable stainless steel razor blade refills. These blades are designed with 5 high-quality, spaced-out blades to reduce clogs and minimize the risk of cuts. Each blade is cushioned with skin guards, ensuring a smooth glide across the skin. This razor also comes with a serum-infused blade, enhanced with shea butter and a hyaluronic acid serum, which hydrates and helps soothe the skin as you shave. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. The Athena Club Razor's ergonomic handle is weighted and coated with a soft, non-slip grip. This makes it feel comfortable and secure in your hand, even when it's wet. I found it easy to maneuver around tricky areas like my knees and ankles, and the non-slip grip definitely came in handy during a rushed shave. The 5 blades glided effortlessly across my skin, leaving it smooth and soft. I didn't experience any nicks or irritation, even when I shaved without prepping my skin much, which can be a common issue with some razors. The serum-infused blades also worked as advertised. My skin felt moisturized and cared for, even after the shave. What really stands out is the magnetic shower hook. It's a simple but very useful addition that keeps the razor off the shower floor and allows it to dry properly between uses, preventing rust. Small, but it shows attention to detail. In terms of pros, the quality of the blades is impressive. The spacing between them prevents clogging, which can be a huge problem with other razors. The moisturizing elements of the blade are an added bonus, ensuring that your skin feels hydrated post-shave. The ergonomic handle and the magnetic storage hook are nice touches too. They add value without overcomplicating the design. However, the biggest downside is the price. While you get 6 refills, the initial kit is still on the pricier side compared to some other options out there. As for value for money, the Athena Club razor feels premium. It's not the cheapest razor on the market, but it offers a high-quality shaving experience with thoughtful features like the serum-infused blades and the magnetic storage hook. If you're someone who shaves regularly and wants a product that's going to be gentle on sensitive skin, it's worth considering the price. If you're looking for more affordable options, there are alternatives like the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide, which also includes moisturizing strips. However, if you care about a well-designed, ergonomic razor with thoughtful features, the Athena Club razor stands out. It's perfect for those looking to upgrade their shaving routine with a high-quality, comfortable product. In terms of build quality, this razor is definitely built to last. The ergonomic handle feels sturdy in your hand, and the packaging is simple yet durable. The longevity of the blades is also impressive. With 6 refills included, you'll have plenty of shaves before you need to replace the cartridge. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you've had any experiences with Athena Club's razor, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Does it live up to the hype? Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.